Hello everyone. Welcome to the session on intellectual property rights, a cornerstone of innovations, creativity and economic development. In today's world where ideas and creations drive industries and protecting intellectual property assets is more critical than ever. Intellectual property rights empowers inventors, business and artists to safeguard their innovations to ensuring that recognition and stability to benefits from their hard work. During this session, we will explore the concept of intellectual property rights and the various types of rights that protect it, such as patents, trademark, copyrights, trade secrets, and industrial designs. We will also delve into real-world examples that highlight the impact of IPR on business and industrial worldwide. What is intellectual property? The intellectual property refers to the creation of the human mind. These creations include inventions, designs, artist works, literacy works, symbols, names, and images used in commerce. Intellectual property rights are the legal protection granted to these creations to ensure that their creators benefits from their work and recognized for their contributions. Types of intellectual property rights. First one is patents. The patents are legally protection granted to inventors for their novel, useful and non-nebulous inventions or process. They provide exclusive rights to the patent holder to make, use, sell or distribute the invention for a specific time period. Typically 20 years from the filing date. Patents encourage innovations by allowing inventors to profit from their creations while sharing technical knowledge with the public. For example, the example of patents are aspirin formula by Bayer. For example, the Bayer patented the formula of aspirin in 1899. This allowed Bayer to be the sole producer and seller of aspirin, giving them a monopoly during the patent period and establishing their domains in the paracetamol market. And another example of patent is Tesla battery technology. The Tesla patent is innovated battery designs, included the Tables battery. These patents protect their advertisements in electrical vehicles technology to ensuring competitors cannot replicate these innovations without permission. Trademarks protect distinctive symbols, logos and names and slogans and other identifiers associated with a company, goods or services. They ensure that consumers can recognize the sources of product of services, thus forecasting brand loyalty and trust. Trademark rights can be renewed, identified, provided the remains in use. The examples of the trademarks are some logo is globally recognized and trademarked. This trademark prevents other companies from using this used symbol. And Coca-Cola branded and bottle shapes. For example, a Coca-Cola name, red and white logo and unique bottle designs, these all are trademarked. These elements ensure that the consumers recognize and associate these features exclusively with the Coca-Cola product. These are the examples of the trademark. Copyrights. The copyrights safeguard originally works of authorship such as books, music, films, artworks and software, giving creators control over reproduction, distribution and public display of their works. Unlike the patents, copyrights do not protect ideas or concepts but rather the specific expressions of these ideas. The copyright protections last for the creator's lifetime plus 5 to 100 years depending on the areas. The example of the copyrights are Harry Potter series. These Harry Potter books are copyrighted, which means that only Rowling on her authorized publisher can produce and sell copies of their books or adapt them into movies. And another examples are any iconic song. These iconic songs are copyrighted to use the song in a movie, commercial and cover performance. Except these permissions must be obtained from the copyrights holder of an evolving license of some fees. So next one is trade secrets. The trade secrets consist of confidential business information that provides a competitive advantages such as formulas, process, customer lists, or marketing strategies. To qualify as the trade secret, the information must be kept secret, have economic value, and involving responsibility effects to maintain it confidentially. Unlike these forms of IPR, trade secrets can last identifiably as long as securely is maintained. The example of the trade secrets are Coca-Cola recipe. The Coca-Cola recipe has been a closely trade secret for over 100 years. The company uses this security measure and legal agreements to ensure the formula remains unconfidential. And another example of Google search algorithms. The Google search ranking algorithms is a trade secret. By keeping the details confidential, Google ensures its search engine remains competitive and protective its intellectual properties from rivals. And next one is industrial designs. The industrial designs protect the ornamental aspects of products, including its shapes, pattern, and color. This from a IPR ensures the visual design of product that makes it appearing to customers or consumers. He is legally protect against the unauthorized copyrights. These industrial designs rights to typically last between 10 to 20 years depending of the areas. The examples of the trade secrets are industrial designs are Apple's iPhone design. The Apple iPhone designs are known as their sleek design. These industrial design rights to ensure that not other company can replicate their unique features. This is the industrial design. And finally, the intellectual property rights is a vital tool to promoting creativity, innovation, and fair competition. It ensures that inventors, business, and artists reap the benefits of their hard work while contributing to the economic and social development. By understanding and utilizing these intellectual property rights, individuals and organizations can protect their creations and build a legally that lasts for generations. Thank you for all.